Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting off the cylinder valve firmly and confirming gas flow stops. This prevents pressurized escape. Next, bleed residual pressure from downstream lines using a purge port or by opening service valves briefly into a safe vent. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection so you can work safely on fittings. Make sure the regulator's inlet fitting matches the cylinder thread and rated pressure. Mismatches cause leaks. Now position a wrench on the regulator nut for removal. With 2 wrenches, stabilize the cylinder connection with one and turn the regulator nut counterclockwise with the other so torque isn't transferred to the cylinder. You want slow, steady force. Abrupt turning can damage threads or squeeze out the sealing washer. Once the nut backs off, pull the regulator straight out to avoid scraping the port. Pause to inspect the sealing washer and any O-rings for cracks or deformation because you will need replacements if damaged. Finally, cap the cylinder immediately to prevent contamination. To finish, clean the cylinder outlet and install a new sealing washer or O-ring before fitting a new or serviced regulator. When reinstalling, hand start threads then torque to the specified value so you don't overcompress seals. After opening the valve slowly, always perform a leak test with soapy water or a calibrated gas detector and observe for bubbles at the joint. If you see a leak, close the valve, retighten in small increments, and if that fails, replace the regulator or contact the supplier as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.